पहले आप दोनों को बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद. Response is really good. और how this whole single happened, whose idea was this, and how someone decided they want both of you to be part of this. This is the very first time you're working together.
Yep. First of all, thank you so much. आपको गाना अच्छा लगा and I think भूषण सर always decides क्या करना है गाने को लेके, कैसी collaboration होनी चाहिए, कैसा गाना होना चाहिए. और I usually write my songs and compose them, but this is written by Tanishq bhai and he's composed it. So they sent me the song and I loved it, and rest is in front of you. Rest is, and then when I got to know that Nora is doing the video with me, and I was too excited for the video because she is doing amazing stuff in her journey, and this is the first time we have done video together, and everybody is loving it.
Huh?
Yeah, so just like Guru said, this was Bhushan sir's idea and vision. So he wanted that this music video should be the first virtual production technology in which all of it is VFX. We shot behind green screen throughout. We didn't even know what was happening.
Yeah,
We're
yeah,
like,
yeah.
you know. But obviously, when we saw the result, we were really surprised and very happy. So overall, the packaging of this video in terms of a project is an ideal one because we had Retrophils on board to do the VFX, and then Tanishq Bakshi did the music. And for me and Tanishq's collaboration is always a hit, whether it was Dilbar Saab ki Ek To Kam Zindagani, etc., etc. It's always been received so well by the public. So I was really excited to do another one with Tanishq. And Nikita's voice is stunning. And on top of that, I was really excited to be able to up the fashion and visual aesthetics of the music video in terms of hair, makeup, and costumes. We really wanted to give an international appeal. And for me, that was very exciting. On top of that, I've always wanted to work with Bosco sir. I don't know if I've told you this.
No.
I have always wanted to
Wow.
work with Bosco sir, and I'm like, since I've stepped foot into India, I'm like, ek din aayega, ek din aayega.
Wow.
And when they said Bosco's choreography, I'm like, I'm in.
Wow.
So Bosco has done a crazy vibe in
Thank you,
terms
sir.
of the moves. He's given us a very dance hall, urban feel. I love it. So the overall package is just superb.
Uh,
मैं इधर उधर देखती हूँ.
गुरु आपके लिए क्या चैलेंज पार्ट था इस पूरे सिंगल के दौरान?
To dance with her.
Challenging
saw
part.
that.
But
As you said,
that
this is something absolutely on a very high scale. When we talk about the digital, the sci-fi effect and all.
with all thanks to Om sir, and we love Om sir for all the stuff he's done for us in the video, and उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से हमारा वीडियो बनाया है, and it's different look for me as well. For all other videos whatever I've done with T series till date, they are like they're a different vibe, but this one is a different vibe because we have Noora in it.
Oh my
And
god.
and yeah, thanks to Om sir, बहुत अच्छा से उन्होंने हमारा वीडियो बनाया, and I think India is loving it. India is loving the feel, the vibe, and the song, and Nora and me and T series. I think it's a full package, and we are very glad that you guys are liking the song.
Yeah, and I think what's really cool is that when I see the video, I notice that Guru has come out of his shell. You can see the kind of energy and the kind of conviction he has in terms of even his swag and his movement and his presence on screen, and I'm really like happy with that also. And I think
Thank
that
you,
was all
Nora.
because I was hyping him up behind the camera. Yeah, Guru, get it, Guru, come on.
Yeah.
But yeah, you
Yeah.
sound great, by the way, in the song.
Yeah,
Like,
thank
you.
you.
Sound superb.
Thank you.
You both were doing your bit, if you see the single, he Guru is he's playing his part and you're doing all the dance moves. So while shooting this, what was the director belief? As you said, it is about chroma and all, shooting everything on VFX. There was a brief from director. What was the director brief to both of you?
The brief was very simple. It should be positive, it should have a vibe, there should be a certain energy about it which is infectious, whether it's during doing the dance moves or the interactions between us, especially when we had that section of the alley when we were just doing our movement together. So it should just have this vibe where you want to watch the video again and again, and you want to do the dance moves again and again. And I think luckily with us, what we did is we have the song a hit before it released.
Yeah,
Which was like
'cause of the viral
super.
thing,
It's
yeah.
not happened before where I was overwhelmed with the kind of videos everybody was sending me to repost on my stories. All the dancers, all the fans, the
And
audience.
even the world audience was sending
Yeah, the
people
world.
from
We have videos from Tunisia, Algeria, Morocco,
Yeah.
Australia, South Africa, Germany. It's crazy, and we haven't even released the song yet. And they were just playing on the Nach Peri Rani Rani, just the hook. So for me, I was like, wow, I've never seen this before, and the hype started before it even released. So thankfully, I mean, we're very grateful for that.
Guru, this is the very first time you're working together. What was your experience working with Nora, and Nora, what your experience with working with Guru, and what do you both of you learn from each other?
I think the day I got to know that she's gonna be in the video, I was preparing myself to be with her in the video because she's done everything on a different scale when it comes to dance, and I have done everything on a different scale when it comes to dance.
Very, very much.
So मैं बहुत कम डांस करा मैंने, but then she was very supportive on the set. She was telling me what to do, how to do, and thanks to Bosco sir and team for making me learn whatever I've done in the video, and I'm very grateful to her as well for coming with me in the video, and I think artist अच्छा होना चाहिए, काम तो everybody is doing, and she's very great at heart, and she's very you can say very funny on set as well, because sometimes
How much
when
we laugh.
yeah, because sometimes you have to make each other feel comfortable when you meet for the first time for the work, and your smile says a lot when you meet somebody, and she was very supportive on the set. Thank you, Nora. Thank
Aw,
you.
Sweet. But yeah, we laugh too much. Check out my vlog coming out soon of this song. You'll see him just laughing throughout the whole shoot.
Yeah.
Nora, what do you say about Guru?
I think Guru killed it with his dance. He just made me feel very insecure. I was so insecure when I was dancing with Guru.
Thank you. Thank you,
Especially when he
Nora.
went, "Oh."
India, you should see this video and make sure everybody is insecure from me when it comes to
Yeah,
dance.
the
I'm
dance
the number one
sensation
dancer.
upcoming right
Yeah.
here. No, but all jokes aside, I think my what I'm very happy about is the fact that meeting him, I got a good vibe and I got a good humbleness and humble energy that came out of him. And I immediately, told everybody in T-Series, guys, I'm very happy to work with Guru because he's so cool and he's a good boy. Matlab, he's got a nice upbringing.
boy.
वो harami type nahi hai. He's just so sweet and so cute and nice, and I was just like, oh, he's so nice. And they're like, yeah, Guru is like this only. I'm like, no, he's really nice. He's just very shant and nice, and so I really enjoyed his personality and his presence on this set. And of course, I mean, he's delivered so well with his vocals, and when I saw him perform, I was like, yeah, this is amazing. He really pushed himself and he
Yeah.
wanted to do something different.
Yes.
SNA, then he was like, I will do what I do in all videos. He was really intrigued and excited to do something different
Yes,
out of the
true
box.
that.
And I think that was what really made me excited to be a part of this project. And even his overall excitement about the song releasing is so energetic and infectious.
We were calling each other every 10 minutes, like, what are we supposed to do? Because this video was different for her as well, for me as well, and even for T-Series. So everybody, we were in a group, texting each other, calling each other, क्या कर सकते हैं यार extra, just to make sure the song is a hit
Yeah.
song, because we just love this song too much.
So yeah, genuinely, we just wanted the song to do well.
अब तक के क्या बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिले हैं अभी? हालांकि आज ही आउट हुआ, लेकिन रिस्पांस इज रियली गुड.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't seen anything yet because we've just been so busy since we've woken up with releasing the song and doing the PR and stuff. But I can't wait to see all the YouTube reactions.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I just love watching Instagram videos when people put their own stories or put the videos listening to the music और उसके ऊपर dance कर रहे हैं, and I'm looking forward to see everybody doing it, and we'll be happy to see you all doing dance on Naach Mein Gaani.
Yeah, I just hope this gives a new vibe right now, because I know it's very depressing with the global pandemic and everything, but we just want everyone to feel great, happy, energized, and to do the dance moves and just get all that energy up and uplift yourself.
Yep.
The last question from my end, last time when the Big Boss started, Divya ma'am went for the promotion. Is there a possibility you'll be going for the promotion at Big Boss house?
लेट्स
Would you be
सी,
interested?
आप हमारी बात करवा दो किसी से जो हमें लेके जाए वहाँ पे. नो
Nora?
मैं थोड़ी ना लेती जो चाहती हूँ.
no, if you say we should go, we'll go. If you say we shouldn't go, we
It's
won't
up
go.
to you.
You
say
want us
जाना
to
है
go?
या नहीं जाना.
जाना
हो
है
गया.
तो विल गो. आप
हो
डन
गया.
हो गया.
बस.
लॉक कर दो ये बात.
Finished.
हम
Yeah.
विल ट्राई कि हम बस चले जाएं जल्दी जल्दी.
We would love
No,
to
we'll-
go.
yeah, we'll
if
go
it's
together.
part of the plan, great. Then we'll kill it on Big Boss also.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.